Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at installing Visual Studio Code. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and for any questions, leave them in the comment section. So Visual Studio Code is a coding platform that provides an IDE environment for you to run your code. So to download your Visual Studio Code, you should open your browser and then search for Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. I will provide the link in the description so you don't have to worry on the same. So you should look for your operating system. In this case, I'm using Windows, so you download the Visual Studio Code for Windows. So in my case, it has already started to download, but I will cancel because I have already downloaded it. So I just take you through. So you should run as administrator. Yeah, and then you accept. So to install, okay, then you should accept the agreement. Next. Also to create a desktop icon, install. So the setup is preparing to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. So in this case, we will open Visual Studio Code, then so I think the setup is taking a while to install, but as you can see, it's extracting files, and the files will be installed in your local disk C, then programs, your programs directory. So in our time, we will have Visual Studio Code running on our computer, so that we can start to dig into coding. Yeah, so we have already finished installing our Visual Studio Code in our local machine. Yeah, so in this case, you have created a desktop icon, so it